This is a supplemental video number 2 to the MTH 30-2288-1 Amtrak California Capital Corridor, Sacramento to San Jose, up for auction on eBay. I've got the engine started up and the sound off, and in the first video I did not display the smoke unit. I'm going to display the smoke unit now. So we're getting ready to turn the smoke unit on, and when I do, you'll be able to hear, I'll quit talking and you can hear the motor. Okay, now the motor starts up, and I'm going to add a few drops of smoke, blow into it a little bit. There is smoke coming out of it, but it's not very strong, so I assume that the wick needs to be replaced. Smoke is not important to me and my son, but if it is to you, take that into account when bidding. So eventually she does smoke a little bit. It's hard to see. Let me try blowing in it again. So it's probably not picking up on the video very well, but there is a little bit of smoke coming out, but you just aren't seeing it. I'll shut it off in a minute, and then sometimes it will smoke when it, you'll see some residual smoke coming out of it. So it does work. Let me try adding a couple more drops. And there is some smoke coming out. But I suspect the wick will need to be replaced. Like I said, if smoke's important to you. Okay, I'm going to shut it off now. And then we'll keep it on it for we'll keep the camera on it for a second, a little bit. We'll see if some smoke comes up out of it. Okay, there, I've turned it off. And you can see the smoke starting to come up now out of it a little bit. Okay, I'll turn the sound back up. Okay, then I'm going to shut it down, and that's it. So I just wanted to demonstrate the smoke unit, and it's also in the description of the auction that the smoke unit works, but the volume is low of the output of the smoke. Okay, thanks for looking.